Hey kids, are you ready to play a rhyming game from Reading Recipe? Well, so are Nia and Amari. If two words rhyme, like sun and fun, which both end with un, then you're going to bounce up and down. Nia and Amari will too. If the words do not rhyme, like sun and hat, those don't sound alike, then you're going to turn around. Nia and Amari will also. So let's get this rhyme game started. Try to move before Amari and Nia. Rat, cat, rat, cat.
Hey, that rhymes.
Yes, rat and cat both end with at. Rat, bat, rat, bat.
That rhymes.
Because they both end with at. Wig, hat, wig, hat.
That doesn't rhyme.
Because wig ends with ig and hat ends with at. Ig and at sound different. Wig, duck, wig, duck.
That doesn't rhyme.
Wig ends with ig, duck ends with uck. Ig and uck sound different. Duck, fish, duck, fish.
That doesn't rhyme.
Because duck ends with uck and fish ends with ish. Uck and ish don't sound the same. King, ring, king, ring.
That rhymes.
Yes, king and ring both end with ing. Ring, rug, ring, rug.
That doesn't rhyme.
Because ring ends with ing and rug ends with ug. Ing and ug are not the same. Rug, bug, rug, bug.
That rhymes.
Because rug and bug both end with ug. Bug, ball, bug, ball.
That doesn't rhyme.
Bug ends with ugh, ball ends with all. Ugh and all are different. Ball, doll. Ball, doll.
Hey, that rhymes.
Ball and doll both end with all. Boat, goat. Boat, goat.
That rhymes.
Boat and goat end with oat. Four, door. Four, door.
Hey, that rhymes.
Because for and door both end with or. Bat, boat. Bat, boat.
That doesn't rhyme.
Because bat ends with at and boat ends with oat. At and oat sound different.